Here's a couple neat little gadgets for your Evo controller. I've got the joystick knob protector here, which basically just slides over your joystick knobs and keeps them from getting damaged or snapped off in transport or in your case or backpack or whatever, and they can stay on while it's closed here. Also have on the back the AB button bumpers. They can provide a little bit of protection to keep you from accidentally depressing them, and they provide a little offset. You'll see the buttons are down in there, and these just provide a little offset, and they come with a real fine double-sided sticky tape. Then you've got the antenna guard, which is all this is 3D printed, and it just kind of slides over and is held on with friction and keeps your antennas safe. Then you've got these antenna hinge protections, which are pretty neat. They're marked left and right. You see a little L here, and then the right one, it's marked R. I don't know where you can see that. And those slide on and off and provide a little bit of stress relief and protection for the hinges. They are independent of each other, so you'll make sure you want to get those on the correct one. And then this antenna protection cover just kind of goes on at somewhat of an angle and then kind of clicks into place. And then with that, your antennas are safe from getting snapped off when they're in your case and whatnot.